Alright. Dilly, are you playing the game?
Yep.
Alright, let me see. Wait a sec. Let me see.
We're not voting the map yet.
Crystal, alright.
Okay, we're not voting the map
Alright,
yet.
so hey guys, YouTube. Today we're going to be playing Murder Mystery 2. So first, I need to look for my brother. Because our brother's going to be joining us. Fire Blaster. Here he is. Hey Fire. How are you doing, Fire?
What?
How are you doing?
What?
What's up, Fire?
What? You started around.
Oh, wait. So I need you to tell somebody to leave real quick. He doesn't really know how to spell, so I'll be right back. Yo, I need you to tell somebody to leave.
It's at 2% of being a murderer that I was innocent.
Alright, wait. I'm here. Let me join Fire Blaster. 10119. Loading assist. Alright, hello Fire Blaster.
Where are you?
I'm in the lobby right now. Let's spectate Fire.
Die.
Wait,
Just gonna be collecting coins.
I'm getting this. Oh yeah, I already have this slate. Alright. Here's Fire. Fire Blaster is a Darth Vader kid with a present on top of his head. And he has an Adidas sweater. And,
Talk about my shirt.
dude, I'm spectating you.
Talk about and see what you guys are doing. Okay, getting. Oh, now you're home. I need one more coin. Yeah, we'll win the game.
Alright, let's go, Dilly. We're back. I just had to do something real quick. Here's Fire Blaster again. Back at it. Oh my god! Somebody got caught red-handed. Wait, not red-handed, but he witnessed the dead corpse on the floor.
Ethan, you're not doing, guy.
Alright, let me see.
Are you doing, guy?
Who is the murderer? I don't really see anybody that's the murderer going.
Oh,
I'm spectating people, they don't have like... wait. There's a lot of people lagging though. Oh no. Run. Oh, alright Dilly, let's vote for the next map, come.
Wow, okay.
Oh no, let's see if they say hi.
And then, whatever one has the highest. Well, you Mason, and then just the other.
Alright Dilly. Alright,
Right?
let's go to the mansion. Yay, mansion wins!
What? Dylan, Mason, you want? The lobby was created by. Oh, Mason, where is the murderer? Mason, where's the murderer?
I'm not a murderer, I definitely know that.
But I'm the sheriff.
You're sheriff? Wait, come here. Show me your gun. I do not believe. Alright, put it down. We don't want the murderer to kill you first. Come on, Dylan.
I heard it
Stay behind me.
on that and all the way up the stairs.
Stay behind me, even though I'm not sheriff.
Yes, I heard it happen right behind us.
Wait, come here. Are you stuck? You're stuck. Alright,
I didn't
Come
know
here.
your face like that.
come here. Oh, that's him. It's him. He's going upstairs. Come on. Come.
Okay, I'm gonna bring my gun out.
It's that brown guy right there. Come. See that? Come here. Him!
Get my gun!
Oh, come on!
Get that?
I juked him. Trey, stop. We don't want anybody to hear your voice though. Victoria plays. Oh. Victoria plays 789 says, I love cats. Wait, Dylan, accept this. You need a knife. Accept this. Dylan, accept that, alright? I'll give you this knife. So wait, I need you to accept, no, I need you to press that, alright?
That's a knife.
Yeah.
Accept.
Alright. I think so.
Dylan, I don't have it yet.
No, you know what you need to do to get that? Look, I gave you my bleach knife. Look, press this, press inventory, and then press that. And then press inventory. And then look, you got a new knife. Alright guys, I just needed to give my brother a new knife, so yeah. I'll pause this until the next round. So see you in the next round. Guys, it's the next round again. I'm innocent. What are you?
I'm innocent.
Yo, do you want a team or no?
Yeah, I want to.
Alright.
Where are you?
I'm in a storage room, I think. Kinda. I don't really know. So I want you guys to subscribe to Kitty Dog Candy. He, I don't know. It's probably a girl because that's what I saw. She or he is the best, like YouTuber ever. She put me in one of her She put me in one of her YouTube videos. They're epic. Hi, Fire.
I found a secret place. Come on.
Wait, no, stay right there. Stay right there. Alright. Whoa, look at this card though. I might want this. Come on, let me get in. The guest is the yeah. Look, the guest is good. Oh! Come on! I shot him! Alright, so I might spectate. You know what? I'll just pause it till the next round again. Alright? Dylan, say, see you in the next round. Look, do this. Alright, now say, now we're gonna pause it. Hey guys, I'm sorry. Next time we're gonna spectate somebody, alright? So the next round is about to start. So we're about to vote for a map. Come on, Fire. Fire, come on. Fire.
Look who the lobby is made by.
Whoa. By Zyleek, I think. Alright.
We all chose the middle.
Yeah. The lab. It's called the lab. Yeah, let's see if we do the lab. What am I? Please be murderer. Oh. What are you? Yes.
Can't touch this.
Oh, I just found him. He's right across there.
I don't. Thank you. It's a murder massacre. It's the guest. Run. He's coming towards us.
Come on.
We gotta hide. Let's go. Let's go in this room. Come on, Dilly.
Come on.
We gotta run. Run. Come on. Do you want to go in this room? Look at all these coins. Wait, come. Let's get some coins. You can get that coin right there. See that coin? You can get that. Well, it's the guest. I think. Yeah, it's the guest. No. Oh my God.
Did you saw them?
No. All right. So this time we're gonna pause the. Wait, no. This time we're not. We're not gonna pause the video. This time we're gonna spectate. Oh. Never mind. No spectating. The guest won. I know guests can't talk. I'm just like trying to show some. Hey Dylan. Hey Dylan, I have one question for you. What are those? Oh yeah, you don't have shoes on, by the way. I have shoes on, so you have to write. No, I didn't pause it yet. All right. Dude, let me see your knife real quick. Let me see your knife. Look, your knife skin looks epic. Do you want my knife skin? It looks pretty cool.
Can't touch this.
All right.
Can't touch this.
It's pretty cool.
Can't touch
Do you like my gun? I can give you my gun.
this.
Oh, it's the guest. The guest is the murderer.
It's a guest doing.
Spectate me, Billy. All right. Spectate me.
Dylan, it's a guest.
I meant, do you want a gun skin? I can buy one for you.
Can't touch this.
It's a guest.
You gotta get all the functions.
It's that guest. I see that guest. He's sneaky. Run! I gotta run across.
Can't touch this.
He better not move. I got my eyes on that guest.
Oh no, Dylan, stop.
Ah! Oh, that guest is. Ah! Oh my God!
Can't touch
That guest killed the guest sheriff.
Can't touch this.
Someone got the guest.
Can't touch this.
The gun?
Someone got the guest.
That's the murderer
Can't
guest.
touch this.
Look, are you spectating me?
Can't touch this.
Here's the murderer guest. Right here. Hi, murderer guest.
Touch this.
He's not even doing anything. He's standing on his head. He was just striking the.
I called him a noob. He better not kill me because I called him a noob. Oh, look at Dylan's body.
Touch this.
Whoa.
How
Your body's like a rag doll. Whoa. I think I can get up here. Yes, look at that. That was... Trey, stop. You messed up my pillow. It looks like you're a rag doll. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, wait. Yeah! GG. Okay, we're gonna pause it till the next round again. Alright? Yeah, Dylan, that's how we do it, okay? Alright, guys. The thing is about to come back, alright? Probably like 3 more rounds and then we're gonna end the video. 13, alright. 2 more minutes, we're gonna end the video. I'm innocent. Who's the sheriff?
It's a girl with a white helmet and purple hair
Alright, let me...
and a rainbow knife on her back.
Wait, let me see. Where?
Yeah.
That's her. She better not hold her, like, gun out. She shouldn't hold her gun out for, like, that long. Because when the murderer has his knife, like, not that out, the murderer's
You're level 10.
I know. You're level 1. The murderer's gonna try to, like, strike for her, like, first. Like, see? Like, she's scared. Look, if I was a murderer, I would have killed her right away. Because she has her gun out, like... Where? Where are you? There's a dead body!
I know, I saw that. There's an office in here.
Ah! Sheriff! Help! Spectate me!
Wait, still on my jet screen.
Alright. So, Dylan.
Oh, let's see. What's happened?
Alright. Bye, YouTube. We're gonna end it here. So, I hope you So I hope you had a great time watching this video. See you later.